The distinctive boat tail appearance of a Riviera is one of Buick's greatest fames. The Buick Riviera was launched as a standalone model in 1963. Buick had previously lent the Riviera name to its previous top-of-the-range models, with the term becoming synonymous with the highest level of prestige and luxury afforded to the Buick marque. In 1971, the third generation model had received a significant styling change with the introduction of the boat tail. This polarised opinions at the time, meaning fewer were sold than previous generations, and unlike its predecessor, it came with only one power plant option. The top of the range 455 cubic inch 7.5 litre V8 engine producing 265 horsepower. These are becoming increasingly rare and very collectible.